What if I told you the difference between an average life and legendary life is not talent, not luck, not even opportunity? It's a mindset, a way of thinking so powerful that it transforms pain into power, failure into fuel, and ordinary people into legends. Today I'm not here to motivate you for 5 minutes. I'm here to challenge you because becoming a legend is not comfortable, it's brutal, lonely, and demanding. But if you are ready to rise above average, then listen carefully. Legend is not born, a legend is built. Every great personality you admire started exactly where you are right now, confused, uncertain, doubted, and tested. The only difference, they refused to stay there. While others made excuses, they made progresses. While others waited for the right time, they created it. And while others feared failure, they used it. Understand this clearly, failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of process. Every setback is shaping you, every rejection is preparing you, every struggle is strengthening you. Legends don't avoid pain, they embrace it. A legend has a different mindset. Don't think like crowd. They don't follow trend. They don't seek validation. They focus. In a world full of distractions, social media, opinion, noise, a legend trains their mind to stay locked on their goal because they know something powerful. Where focus goes, energy flows. If you keep switching goals, switching efforts, switching direction, you will always stay average. Consistency creates greatness, not motivation, not burst of energy, but a discipline. Discipline is walking up when you don't feel like it. Discipline is working when no one is watching. Discipline is choosing long-term success over short-term comfort. A legend is obsessed, but in the right way. They are obsessed with growth. They are obsessed with becoming better than yesterday. They don't compete
If you keep going,
with others.
improving,
They
learning,
compete
adapting,
with
how
their
can you
own
fail
limits.
permanently?
Ask
You
yourself,
can't.
are you improving
The path
daily
might
or just
take
repeating
longer,
the
it
same
might
routine?
hurt more than expected.
Because
It
legends
might
don't
test your
settle, they
patience, your
evolve.
discipline,
Every
your
single
vision.
day they push
But if you
harder,
don't give
learn
up,
more,
the
and
result
grow
becomes
stronger mentally,
intangible.
physically,
And
and
let's be
emotionally.
honest, no one is coming
Legend
to
is
save you.
comfortable
No
being alone.
perfect moment
Yes,
is
alone.
coming. The
Because
magical
greatness
motivation
requires
will appear
sacrifices.
every day.
There will be a
You have to
moment
create
when your
it. You
friends
have
don't
to decide
understand you,
every single
moments
day
when
that
your
you
family
will
question you,
continue. No matter
moments
how
when it
slow
feels
the
like the
process
world
feels,
is
because
against you.
slow progress is
That's the
still
price.
progress
While
and
others are
consistency beats
partying, you
intensity
are
every
the
time.
working.
You don't need to be
While
smart,
others are
you don't
sleeping,
need
you are
to be the
grinding.
most talented.
While others are
You just
quieting,
need
you are
to be the one who
continuing.
refuses
And
to
in
quiet.
those lonely
So when life
moments,
hits you
your
hard
character
and
is a
it
big.
will,
A legend takes full
don't ask
responsibility.
why
No
is
blaming
happening
luck,
to
no
me.
blaming background,
Ask
no blaming people. They take
what is trying
ownership
to teach
of
me.
everything
When
in their
things
life
get
because the
tough and
moment
they
you
will
take
don't say I can't
responsibility,
do
you take
this.
control.
Say I will figure it
You
out
stop
because
being
that
the victim
mindset,
and
that
you become a creator.
stubborn
Your life is not defined by
refusal give
what
up is
happened to
what
you.
separates
It is defined by
average
how
from the
you
extraordinary.
respond.
One day
Legend
people
has a
will look
clear
at your
vision.
success
They know
and carry
exactly what they want.
call you like
Now I want to
they
successful.
won't see the
Now I
pain, they
want
won't
money.
see the
But a
sacrifices, they
clear,
won't see the
specific
times
vision
you
that
almost
drives
give up,
they
but
every
didn't.
day.
But you
Because
will know
without
what it
direction,
is. If
effort
you
is
keep going
wasted.
even when it's hard,
Your vision
even when
should
it's
scare
slow,
you,
even
it
when
should
no one
excite
believes in
you,
you.
it should
Because the
push
moment
you
you
out
decide to never
of your
give up,
comfort
the
zone.
moment
Because if
you
your
become
dream
unstoppable.
don't challenge you, they won't change you. A legend never quits. Repeat again, read that again, never. They may fail, they may get tired, but quieting is not an option because they understand one simple truth: success is just one more step beyond failure. Most people quite right before their breakthrough. Legend pushes one more time, one more rep, one more hour, one more try. And that one more changes everything. Let's be real for a moment. Becoming a legend is not easy. There will be a days you feel like giving up, days when nothing works, days when self-doubt takes over. But those days, those exact days defines who you become. Because anyone can work when they feel good. But legends work even they feel broken. So what kind of life do you want? An average life where you follow the crowd, play safe and regret later, or legendary life where you take risks, face challenges, and create something extraordinary. The choice is yours, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Final result in your hand when you are starting your work. So stop waiting, stop doubting, stop living small. There is a legend inside you, but it's waiting for your taken action. Push harder, focus deeper, work smarter, and most importantly, never quit. Because one day, all the struggle, all the pain, all the sacrifices will turn into a story, and that story will inspire the world. Be the legend.